Cut 1. On the porch of a quiet garden, uncles and all-stars gather around rows of bonsai pots. Cut 2. The school-issued leotard holds scissors as an uncle gently guides her hand toward a branch. Cut 3. The rhythmic gymnastics leotard smooths soft moss, while the uncle directs her fingertips. Cut 4. The PE leotard attempts to cut a twig, as the uncle rests a hand on her shoulder to adjust the angle. Cut 5. The school swimsuit sprays mist, with the uncle touching her arm to show the gentle motion. Cut 6. The competition swimsuit levels the soil, as the uncle softly steadies her hand from behind. Cut 7. Together they lean close over the pot, listening to the uncle explain the basics of pruning. Cut 8. The school-issued leotard cuts a branch, the uncle's hand pressing lightly to support her move. Cut 9. Smiles appear as the bonsai takes shape, fabric and tradition blending in quiet harmony. Cut 10. On the veranda, uncles and all-stars pose proudly, bonsai arranged before them in the light.